Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be looking at a company called HardTuned. Avoid at all costs. Now, my issue with them is that they do not focus on customer satisfaction. The website does, but they I talked to them directly, tried to get a product to review, and they were very, very rude. I have the entire thread that I'm going to show you, and they are aware that it'll cost a fortune to ship back. They're located in Australia, so make sure that you do not buy anything from them, especially if you're in the United States, especially if you're in the USA. They actually said it'll cost upwards of $30 or more to ship back products. That probably costs less than that, or in theory. And then the other part that's bothering me is that free shipping is only when you spend $150 or more. So you're kind of almost stuck with the product when it sucks. They're not going to pay for free shipping. And if you do an RMA or a return of shipment, they can deny return. It says right on it, this is for based scenario or situation. So they can see fit what can be returned or what can't, regardless if it's a 30-day money-back guarantee. They can say, well, no, we're not going to do that. And then they're going to make you unhappy, and then I'm trying to prevent you from doing that by not shopping at HardTuned. The other thing is that they sell this LED sign that goes in the back window or side window of a car. One, they're portraying it to be wireless. None of their videos show that there's wire coming off of it, yet it's lit up. It's not. It's USB powered. It's showing that you could be a cop. So you can have LEDs flashing back and forth to make you pretend to be a cop. Really? It says, sorry police, sorry officer, or whatever on the back. But then it says, use for your own use in a private setting, not to be used on public roads. So it's misrepresenting. They're insinuating ideas in your head by visual representation of the product of how to use it, yet they are putting a disclaimer on the website that they don't want you to use it in that way, but they're telling you that you can visually without saying. The hell is that? It's like total crap. It's like they're showing you what you could use it for, like saying you suck, you're slow, ready to race. But you got to use it in a private setting on your own property. You can't drive with this. It's like, why even, why promote it illegally? They actually texted me that you must look. It's so weird. It's like they kind of sort of saying that we know that it's expensive and we don't want you to ship it back. We want you to keep it so we continuously make money. So since they are located in Australia, I recommend stay clear of HardTuned if you live in the United States. Keep that stuff to Europe, purchases and stuff like that in Australia, because having that come here, that's just as bad as China. Having products shipped directly from China. And then which is really funny, is that they use United States Postal Service. So they use the post office, USPS, to ship the product. And it won't get to you for like 2 weeks. So that's even worse. Yes, granted they're in Australia, but 2 weeks? So they're using the cheapest method of shipping to get to you. It doesn't make any sense. So the product that they sell is very expensive. It's $100 for their product, for their LED sign, and I was annoyed. It's a good concept, But I was annoyed that, you know, I mean, it should be banned in all states of the United States because that'll be very distracting as you drive. Could you be looking at sign, reading it, versus driving and paying attention? This is the same as, you know, using your cell phone. But anyway, stay clear of HardTuned. They falsely advertise their product and then put a disclaimer not to use it the way they advertised it. That's wrong. That's misleading. False advertising. Bad news. Stay clear of HardTuned. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.